Okay, this is going to be a demonstration using Provence. It's a bath and body oil, but actually it's an all-purpose oil for your whole body, head to toe, your hands, your hair, your skin. And I'm going to demonstrate this on some dry skin. And we'll show you the difference here. If you want to...
Can you see that?
You can smell. It smells very nice. It's made with French lavender. And I'm just going to massage it on one of the hands so you can tell the difference. So I'm going to get this on here. And even though it's an oil, once it's absorbed in, it's actually not oily. Your skin will absorb as much as it needs. So you just keep massaging it, and it's going to keep getting absorbed into your skin. And once it's fully absorbed, you're going to feel the difference. Your skin is going to feel a lot better. You feel the difference
already. It feels good. Smooth.
Yeah.
You gotta use this.
Really, and even in this oil, you can pour it in your bath. If you pour a little in your bath, you soak in it, you get out, your whole body is going to be silky smooth and moisturized. And it's also going to be relaxing because you're going to be smelling the lavender, and it has a relaxing effect on there. So I think it feels like it is pretty much absorbed into his skin. And now if you just want to show your two hands up against each other.
Oh my gosh.
And if you can see the difference there.
Look at
between
that.
The two hands. The one with the
this
oil.
one, no oil. This with oil.
Yeah, so I think you can.
Wow.
You can feel the difference
You
too.
can definitely feel the difference. This one. Oh. Yeah.
Very good.